Hello, parents. I am Dr. Mary L. Young, the fairy godmother of education, and I'm here to tell you how to win the battle in your child's school because I have all the secrets. So today is Drama Train Tuesday, part 4. When it comes down to attending meetings at your child's school, whether it's a school meeting or function or a board meeting, please don't be that obnoxious parent. Please don't get up in front of people grandstanding and filibustering, because the only thing it does is it sends a negative light on you as a parent. Yes, there are multiple ways that you can advocate for your child, but getting up, being the loud, obnoxious, braggadocious parent can sometimes hinder your ability to be effective in the school system because you want people to take you seriously. So if you want someone to take you seriously, don't bring the drama. Drama Train Tuesday, keep the drama home, parents.